Oceans are the world's most precious assets. They're the life support system of our planet.
My grandfather, Jacques Cousteau, dedicated his life to exploring and educating people about what he called our silent world. He understood that our future is deeply intertwined with the fate of the oceans.
The oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, regulating the climate and providing 50% of our oxygen. More than half of the world's population lives within 200 kilometers of a coastline. The oceans are a vital source of nourishment for more than 2 billion people.
But the state of our oceans is nothing short of a crisis. Overfishing, climate change, and rising sea levels pose grave danger to marine ecosystems and the human communities that depend on them. Human development is on a collision course with the marine environment.
We must act now to avoid disaster. This November, on the beautiful Mediterranean island of Malta, experts from every discipline of oceanographic study will come together to inaugurate the Waves of Change, a global campaign to raise awareness and begin solving the crisis facing our seas. Hosted by the International Ocean Institute, UNESCO, and the Government of Malta, the Waves of Change conference will focus on the role that women and youth can play in ensuring that the oceans are managed in a sustainable and peaceful way. 35 years ago, Professor Elizabeth Mann Borghese founded the International Ocean Institute to promote the sustainable development of the world's oceans. A major contributor to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, the Institute upholds the principle that oceans form our common heritage and are the source of life for future generations. Today, the International Ocean Institute is the leading global advocate and educator on issues of marine sustainability and capacity building among coastal communities. The Waves of Change will bring together a diverse group of stakeholders, ranging from high-level government decision-makers to youth groups. We'll consider how the restoration of the ocean's ecosystems can help to achieve the UN's Millennium Development Goals, including environmental sustainability, gender equality, and poverty eradication. With the participation of organizations like Green Armada, a coastal trash collection agency, and Scuba Scouts, a youth education organization, the Waves of Change will kickstart a new dialogue on community-based ocean conservation for the 21st century.
The further we allow our oceans to degrade, the further we endanger the future of our planet. Oceans are masses of inconceivable power and beauty that are essential to our very existence. Restoring them to their natural state is a massive global undertaking, but one that will only become more daunting with each passing year. Log on to thewavesofchange.org to learn more about our oceans, the Waves of Change conference, and how you can get involved. Only by working together can we protect the future of our oceans.